Welcome to the Building Skills series. In this series, we have 3 topics that we're going to discuss.
Let's start with talking about new content. You may find for a specific delivery that you need to create new content. It might be courseware or it might be labs. There may be a combination of both. So we're going to cover some of the techniques you can use to build effective courseware and labs and how you can go through testing them and making sure that they provide what your clients need.
And what your students need too, probably,
Correct.
right? Yeah, definitely. We're also going to be discussing presentation and facilitation skills. So for the different modalities that you may be teaching in classroom, online, or hybrid environment, what's most effective for those modalities and what can help keep your learners engaged, as well as maybe you managing your classroom, soliciting feedback and doing those knowledge checks. So with presentation skills and facilitation skills, one of the things that I commonly think of is, all right, so, exactly how could I more effectively present this content in a way that everyone is going to understand? Is that going to be with use of presentation slides or visual aids? And how can I facilitate that class to make sure that maybe they are getting it at the right level? So effective questioning skills and those types of things that we may have.
And finally, we'll talk about learning from feedback. So for every engagement, you will typically get some kind of feedback from all of the stakeholders, students, clients, learning partners, various other entities. It's important that you read through all of the feedback that you get and you learn from it. It's often hard to read when somebody has something that's not as kind as you would like, but more often than not, it's true and it is something you need to learn from. We have all experienced it, and this is a very important skill for us to all learn.
I agree. Well, thanks for taking the time to watch the intro for this series. We hope that you learn a lot of great skills that you can use in the future.